Well, good morning. Happy Saturday. So this sticky rice right here, it has to go in the refrigerator. Unannounced to me. I didn't know that. I had it in the cabinet, so it wind up molding. So it didn't work out. I had to throw it out. I was like, wow, I didn't know that it's supposed to have been refrigerated because a lot of my groceries I get delivered, and I've never had that sticky rice. So I didn't know that, so wind up had to throw it out. So what I'm attempting to make today, we're going to make the sushi. I do have my roll thing coming tomorrow. So I've watched them do the sushi where they take the shrink wrap, put it over an ice tray, and I just cook some regular rice here. And this is salmon in a can, and I cooked it. I don't, even when I do the other one, I'm not going to do it raw. I would never eat it raw. I don't even eat my shrimp raw. So we're going to try to use it with this rice. So they put the rice in, smash it down. Should have put my gloves on. I'll get it in there really good. The rice is kind of hot too. That rice is hot, so. But they take the rice. Okay. Take the rice. They put it in there, okay? And we learning this together, so y'all just know that. So this stuff that we're doing together as a team, okay? So I did season my rice a little bit. So what this is ginger, okay? So we're gonna take some ginger. And you do it according to what you like. So we're gonna put, I should have cut it up a little bit because these big pieces. Matter of fact, so we're gonna take the ginger and put some ginger in here. Okay, however you want it. Okay, so now what we're going to take, this is the salmon. We're going to take that and mush it down. And I think it works a lot much better with the sticky rice, but I messed up the sticky rice. So we just going to try to wing it. And I didn't feel like going back out to go and get more, okay? So sometimes it works out, and then sometimes it don't. I didn't know that. So if I'd have went and got it myself, I'd have known that that sticky rice has to go in the refrigerator. Didn't know that at all. So I'm mushing it all the way down. And we're going to take some more rice, but the sticky rice kind of make it really adhere really well. Okay, so now we take it and we're going to let this settle kind of like this. We're going to let this settle. So I'm going to let this settle like this, and then once it settles really good, because it is kind of hot, I'm going to flip it and let y'all see. So I'll come back once I get it to settle, okay? Okay, guys, so we're going to take the sushi paper, okay? And we're going to also put this on there, right? If I got the right side, because I've never done this, okay? I've never, ever, ever done this. So if I'm not mistaken, they be saying the sticky side goes down. The sticky, the other side goes down. Okay, so we're just gonna put this on top like that. Okay, so now we're gonna let this settle, and I'll come back. Okay, alrighty. See y'all in a little bit. Toodles. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it and flip it. I didn't realize how much this sushi paper smells like fish. So I have my parchment paper right here. We're gonna put that there like that there. And now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna take it and flip it out, okay? I'm gonna take it and flip it out. It smells like fish. Fish, 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 fish. Okay. So now, I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see how I look? So now what I'm going to do, this is teriyaki sauce. I'm going to take the teriyaki sauce and put it all over, okay? And the sticky rice is definitely what really makes it do the thing. And I like sweet stuff, so that's why I'm using a teriyaki. So whatever y'all like, y'all do what y'all like. And then I'm taking cilantro. Okay, so now what I need to do is to cut it. Them prices way too high. You better cut it. Cut it. Okay? Cut it so that you can serve it. I gotta call my neighbor now so she can come and get this. To be honest, I do a little of the salmon fish here and there, but I'm not a big like fish person like that, and I don't like the fishy taste, so I do vinegar with mine to kill that fishy taste, but I don't like that after fishy taste. So now what I'm gonna do is the last thing that I gotta do, right? Okay, hair on my chin. I need to get some soy sauce. And I need to taste it for y'all. Okay? That's the last thing left to do. And I learned this recipe from Pinterest. I've been learning a lot of recipes from Pinterest. Like, I've really been falling in love with that. And I did use the salmon in a can. I do have the whole salmon I'm going to make tomorrow. But I just wanted something different. So there's a little of the soy sauce. And y'all know I'm doing this in real time, meaning I don't be letting my stuff sit up like it should and come back to it where it really be together. And this ain't the sticky rice. It's just the regular rice, because my rice wind up getting, I didn't know, and it's spoiled. Uh-oh. Okay, so my paper. Uh-oh. Nope. Okay, I didn't cut all the way down to the paper. Okay? So, and it's not set up all the way hard. So I need to let it set up. But it's good. I'm gonna let it set in the refrigerator to turn hard. It's good, but it's falling apart because I just did this in real time. So I need to let it set, and when it's set, it'll be solid enough. So, really good. Y'all gotta try it. And don't have that fishy taste. You enjoy it with the vinegar. Very good. So, make y'all sushi rice. And you guys have a good day. Toodles.